Hey everyone, it's Lizzy in my kitchen right now, live at you from quarantine. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make peanut butter cookies in 7 steps. So obviously if you're allergic to peanuts, I would not try this. But if you're not, you can give it a try. So yeah, here's how to make cookies in 7 steps. So, step number 1 is to gather your ingredients. I'm going to put myself on a time lapse so I can gather my ingredients. Okay, so I have all my ingredients. I'll read them off for you. So I don't have my measuring stuff yet, but I'll get that in a second. So first, we have 1 cup of salted butter. I mean unsalted, but I only have salted, so I'm gonna use salted, which is also equivalent to 2 sticks of butter. So we have that. Next, we have 1 cup of peanut butter. Then we have a cup of white sugar, which I have this in this container because why not? Next, we have brown sugar. I have this in this. Okay.
Next, we have 2 eggs. Last time I tried to film a video of me cooking, I dropped my eggs. So I will not be dropping them this time.
2 eggs. Okay. Next, I need 2.5 cups of flour. All-purpose flour. Yeah. Next, we have baking powder. This is baking powder. Then salt, which I can't find my thing of like actual salt, so I'm just gonna get some out of this, my salt shaker. And then baking soda, which is in here. Yeah, so those are the ingredients. And now for step 2, which is get your outfit ready for baking. So I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of a fit check right now. So first, I have this shirt on, and this is from Florida, and I don't know where, but it's from Florida. And then these pants are from my sister's closet, and she has no idea because she's in Indianapolis. And if Katie, you're watching this, I'm really sorry. These socks are from Christmas. Yeah, and I have one more item. I'll be right back. Okay, so I don't have a chef hat, but I do have this extremely small Santa hat. So I'm gonna be wearing that. And that's step 2. Get your outfit ready. All right, step number 3 is to cream your wet ingredients together. So let's go do that. Also, I took these out of the fridge like an hour ago, and they're not soft enough, so I'm just gonna put them in the microwave. Okay, so I'm gonna put in this bowl right here my butter, peanut butter, and my white sugar and brown sugar, and then I'm gonna put in the eggs like separately. So I'm gonna put one in first and then mix it, and then do the other one and then mix that. Okay, well, you know how I said how I wasn't gonna drop an egg? Well, I was like going to pick up the brown sugar, and it was right next to the egg, and I dropped it. So we're just gonna take a little moment of silence for this egg. Okay, now we are on to step 4, which is sifting the dry ingredients. So let's go do that. Okay, this is step 5. So step 5 is to mix this mixture into the peanut butter mixture and then put it in the refrigerator for 1 hour. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so we just got done with step number 5. So the cookie dough is in the fridge right now, chilling for 1 hour. Right now, I am going to empty the dishwasher so I can fill my dirty dishes in the washer after I'm done emptying it. And this is a great time to clean up your mess. Yeah. So, I'll see you in an hour. Okay, so now that I'm like watching this back and I put music over this, I realize that you absolutely cannot hear what I'm saying at all. So, basically what I was saying in this is that I accidentally ate dinner and then I forgot to take the cookie dough out of the fridge, so I left it in there for more than an hour, but it's okay though, they were so good. So, basically in the next step, I'm going to be rolling the dough out and baking them. So yeah, here's a time lapse after the next clip of me doing that. Oh yeah, I forgot to say that this is step number 6. Yeah. So now we're on to step number 7, which is to enjoy the cookies. So I'm gonna go try one right now.